My name's Aidan Blackwell. The company is AB Aircon Solutions Limited. I'm based in Hertfordshire. However, all the work is sort of central London way. Domestic sector is more Hertfordshire, Bedfordshire, and with around about 30-mile sort of radius. So we offer installations, office fit-outs, larger scale VRVs, VRF systems. That's the commercial sort of side. And then the other vertical is the domestic, which is your splits, your multi-splits, which again can be in offices, but predominantly sort of domestic side, so residentials. I was sceptical at first, thinking that it's going into a boiler guide, but actually a previous mate of mine done this last year. He scaled his business to another level. It's changed his whole outlook, and that's where I feel like I'm heading towards that way now. I joined the academy in December, so I could start the new year from January, really focused and ready to sort of hit those levels that I wanted to. I was all up in the air, to be completely honest, before I started the academy. I mean, I've always been just a grafter, just working and sort of being a busy fool, as they say. So you're working all these hours under the sun and not really knowing the logistics of the business and how it's running, where my money's being wasted and how the money I'm losing. Things like lead gens, I never knew you could really buy leads. From understanding that, I've gained somewhere in the range of about 15 grand probably profit just since I've started, just from buying lead gens. I understand so much better as to where I am, where I need to be, the expectations that I need, that I'm going to be setting. As of recently, I've just got another engineer and apprentice. So that way I'm able to sort of free myself up more, to sort of look at where I can be making more of this profit, rather than just doing the constant work and almost like I'm working for someone all the time. I know what I want to do, and I know where I'm going. I'm not going in there blind. I'd go in there, and even things like this, every time I'm going to surveying a job, I'm dressed smart now. I know what I need to get in, what I need to write down. Whereas before, I'd be turning up after work. And it's little things like that where it's just helped so much in that aspect. And my conversion rate at the moment is about 50%. In terms of just buying them, I can't really complain. What I need to work on is a follow-up, which I've been taught today. In 3 years' time, I'm going to have 2 admin, a sales. I'm going to have 3 teams. And by next year, I want to be doubling my turnover, so I want to get in $500,000. And then in 3 years, that's 7-figure, which is a lot, but I'm determined and I will make it happen. I would definitely recommend Trade Mastermind. If you are a business like myself, where you're determined and you want to get somewhere, however you don't have the knowledge and you're out and out tradesman, then 100% I recommend it.